A three-day international media conference concluded in Karachi. The theme of the conference was Building Bridges for Generations to Come. Renowned international experts from universities, radio, television, and print media participated in this conference. Our correspondent from Karachi, Mohammad Zubairuddin, gives us the details.
Discussing case of South Asian media, experts emphasize that journalists of these 8 member countries of SAARC have to play a significant role to make this region prosper. Panelists were of the view that common interest of the whole region should be highlighted in such a manner that people and governments get closer to each other for peace, prosperity, and development. In another session of media and cultural variation, experts elaborated that respecting each other's culture is the need of the hour, and in today's journalism, culture gets least attention of media, which is one of the hurdles to reduce gaps.
All members of this SAARC organization, there are 8 countries, and I think some of the issues can be resolved. We should focus on increasing trade. We should do some peace diplomacy. And I believe that, this will benefit everyone. If the people are benefiting through more trade, through more peoples-to-people contact, that will build a constituency for peace.
You have to understand your own culture first, and then you have to be open and aware of other cultures in order to do a balanced reporting and in order not to insult somebody. And you, as a journalist, I think you have the responsibility to be open and to ask questions and to try to understand, so then you can create a greater understanding for your audience, for other cultures.
As for the role of digital media within any society, not just Pakistani, I think it really is sort of the future of what media will be. It's no longer about a newspaper. I think right now you'll see newspapers in Pakistan for the next little while, but eventually we won't have them anymore. So, especially when you look at somewhere like Canada or the United States, they're already being kind of phased out. So I'm here to sort of give my experiences to where I'm from and expose the people of Pakistan to this kind of evolution in the media.
Journalists will play the role to break that fiefdom down. So the journalists in modern technology, you have the Twitter, you have the Facebook, you have Instagram, and then you have email and everything. So on the internet, there is so much which can be found out what is happening.
Psychological effects of current affairs programs, social media effects, challenges faced by women in media, discussed in detail, and experts suggested that role of media and journalists have increased to address these burning issues. Young journalists termed International Media Conference great platform for learning and interacting each other.
These kinds of conferences should be held in Pakistan a lot. There are around 3,000 news that comes to a news agency in a day, and most of them are positive. But we don't portray them, we don't show them to the general public, obviously because of the viewership problems, the TRPs that we talk about, which is not so transparent at all. But we need to portray that image as well. When there are foreigners coming in, foreign journalists are coming into our country, and they look around and they see that yes, they can go everywhere, they can travel, they can eat, they can move around freely without any protocols. They have a positive image built in their mind about Pakistan.
We want to know about your culture, we want to tell you what we are, and we want to know what you are. So it's a give and take, giving what we know and taking from what you know. It's a mix of culture, it's an interchanging of thoughts and views. So I think it's very good for Pakistan that it has opened its mind towards these kind of conferences and these kind of places and this kind of experience.
This conference has been held. It has been held successfully. There are journalists coming in from every country. So we have managed to bridge the gap, and I think that is the answer. It has already bridged the gap in between Pakistan and all the other countries of the world. So that in itself is a huge success.
36 countries' representatives participated in mega conference. Regional as well as international issues across the globe discussed thoroughly in 3-day international conference, and it has also a vast opportunity for young journalists to excel their skills and capabilities. Mohammad Zubairuddin, PTV World, Karachi.